Hi folks, this is a quick video to show you how to post a comment to Voicethread. So on Monday, November 12th, you guys are going to be using Voicethread to view a video and practice using our classroom observation form. And I'm asking that you include some comments on the Voicethread about what you observed. So you're going to check out the observation form, download that, and you're going to go to Voicethread, and here is our Voicethread. So first thing you need to do is obviously open it. It starts automatically. I will skip right through that for the moment. And then it's going to play a short video. You're going to take notes on the video using the observation form to try it out. And then I'm asking that you... So this is what serves. Okay, sorry about that. So I just wanted to show you how to make a comment on the Voicethread. So if you've not done it before, you're going to click this little plus button, and you're going to click the microphone, and you're going to say what you want to say. So something that you observed about the video in terms of the teacher's academic language use or participation structures that you want to add. And then when you're done, you click that you're stopping recording. It uploads your comment. Something that you observed about the video in terms of the teacher's academic language use or participation. And then I'm canceling it, but you would save yours, and then it posts, and then everybody else can listen to your comment, and away we go. Okay, ciao.